Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix the recipient account is unable to receive payments on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. When you try to send the money to someone and it's not working and you're getting the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, recheck the cash tag or account number of the person, okay guys, and also ask the receiver that his account is active or not. Okay guys, if his account is active and still you are getting the error like this, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the cash app. Now for me guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on your profile at the top right corner, scroll it down and tap on sports section. Wait some seconds. From here you have to scroll it down, tap on account and settings, scroll it down. Also tap on chat, and from here guys, what you need to do is just simply chat with the Cash App support team and tell them your problem, and after that hopefully they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.